So guys, aakyat kami dyan sa may hagdan. Blossom, cherries, Cape Line Drive. Huwag kang mag-stop. Daming lamok. So, huwag kang mag-stop. Kasi madaming lamok. Tara na.
Are you going up?
Yes.
Go to have a look because this morning
Yeah.
we were almost stepped on a snake.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm not sure if me or this dog
Yeah.
stepped on. Then the snake was crossing. But
Oh.
because we were going downstairs,
Oo,
so
yeah.
we didn't see. And then the snake was chasing us. Then it's like this and straight to me. And
Oh.
it's all happened in a second. And
Nice.
I even did not see the snake. And because this dog is already around there, so I hear they already ran. I carried this one,
Now?
ran, and down here,
Uh,
I look back, then I realized it's a
Yeah.
snake. And that snake was there, it's black color.
yeah.
It's like
Black is,
this size.
oh,
And the head is like this. It's very angry on me.
oh.
It looks like, get out of my way. So everything happened
Is
so
it a cobra?
quickly,
Is that a cobra or what?
I could not tell.
Oh.
It's the first
So it's
time,
still there?
first time so close to it. That's why if you, I dare not to go out. Because if you go, you see if we step on, maybe have some leftover meat or something.
Oh.
Maybe we didn't step on,
Okay.
but we just the right timing while it was crossing here
Mhm.
to the other side,
Oh.
and we didn't see, so we just come.
Oh, you
going
come
down.
down.
It's around
Is it this morning?
12, between 12 and 1.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Because I saw it's so hot that the snake should
Yeah.
hide somewhere.
Yeah.
The first time I met it.
No, the sun is too hot. They will come out.
They come out, yeah.
Oh no.
Yes, they will come out. It's too hot.
If it's not too hot, no.
It's not too hot or cold. They will hide.
Uh.
But it's too hot. They will come out. Yeah.
Saan ba dito?
Siyempre mo na po doon. Kung may handang mga dagita, kagat. Mga asinan.
Tama. Asan ba siya? Asan? Saan? Asan?
Dito ba ang tanong?
Wala naman. Natakot na yun. Akyat na naman tayo sa hagdan.
It's a good exercise. Mapaling ka nung galak kalamansitan eh.
Be,
Dito. Garden. Ada garden kayo dito.
ganda.
Dami. Napabuuhan na ito dati nagpa-partida tayo dito eh.
Oh. Daming lamok ah. Hagdan ng buhay. Peninsula Court. Ayun oh, garden. Asan ang ikutan? Asan ang labasan? Ayan guys. Pag ano daw, mahal na araw, may multo daw dyan gumagalaw.
Sabi ni no?
Pag yung ano, mahal na, yung mga araw na mga patay, naglagalaw-galaw daw yan yun. Yan, ganyan. Tapos may duyan, nagduduyan daw yan.
Imagination talaga guys.
Yan daw. O, di naka-exercise din.
Siyempre, nugamin ko Nugamin.
Alas 12 lang ang alauna, di kainitan, di. Talagang lalabasan sila.
Oo, mapudutan na. Kasi ulag, nung napudot ang mata. Nung nalamit at lumunda. Pa nag-meeting na gamin, tiko. Admit daw, hindi pa nag-meeting. Hindi pa nag-hurry break. Tadi nga garamit na tubig. Garamit na tubig, baby da.
Wala naman. Yan o, may garden.
May mga kamatis yan
Ewan.
Silaan, may ano sila.
Sino?
May tanim sila dyan.
Oh. Sila Are?
Hindi si Ann.
Oh.
Yung kasama-kasama ko lang sa ano.
Oo. Nakaikot rin kami. Alam mo yun yun? O, mga gumamela. Gamot sa bukol. Gamot sa mga bigsa. O, gumamela. Gamot sa bigsa. Dito pala yung sa taasan. PCJS. Dito pala sa taasan ng ano nito eh. Fire station. Peninsula Garden. Oh. Ayan guys, kung saan na naman kami napapadpad. Oh.